Not gonna lie to you guys, the trailers didn't really get me that hyped up for this movie.
I'm a pro, 'cause I'm Adam Timmo.
Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. So, Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them is a spin-off to the Harry Potter movies. So, it's basically set a couple decades beforehand. It's set in America this time, and it's all about this one guy called Newt who goes from Hogwarts, apparently, to America, and he carries this suitcase with him, which inside he contains these sort of, well, fantastic beasts. That's all I'm going to say because I don't want to spoil this movie for you guys, okay? So, how's the movie? It's fantastic. That was so cringy. I'm so sorry, guys. I mean it. Like, first of all, the actors do a terrific job. Eddie Redmayne's great in the main role. He's really likable. Dan Fogler is kind of his sidekick, but not really. But he's great in the supporting role, and he's a great comic relief to the movie. And then Colin Farrell also gives a great performance in the movie. A really tough sort of one. Underused, you could say. It's not in it that much, but when he's there, he truly delivers. Katrin Waterston is also really good, and then Ezra Miller is a huge sort of scene stealer in the movie. The movie also has a really great period setting, and it really feels like you're in this time with all the characters. J.K. Rowling wrote this script, and you can really tell because this movie has some great imagination to it, some great storytelling, and some really great dialogue. The movie really delivers on the magic. Like, you can just feel the scope of this world. In large part to do with the CGI, also with David Yates' direction, but it never feels like there's too much of it. The movie is a lot of fun, but it also has those deeper character moments in there, which makes it even better than just a fun time. But what I'm most impressed by is that, other than maybe 2 or 3 nods, this movie feels like it's its own. It doesn't feel like it's bound by the Harry Potter universe. It feels like it's doing its own sort of stuff in its own style, its own story, and I love that. And because of those reasons, you don't really have to be a Harry Potter fan to like this movie. Honestly, I don't really have any problems that I can think of with this movie, so I will say it's a 10 out of 10. Because honestly, with such a disappointing summer this year, it's so great to have a treat like Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, even if it is just in November. So yeah, I think it's up there with some of the best Harry Potter movies, and it's definitely worth checking out whether you're a fan of them or not.